All right, guys, so we're back this morning on Breakfast Central. Well, we started off early in the morning, taking a look at our wake-up conversations, which indeed dovetailed into the current situation with the Minister of Power, who has said that you should brace up for more and more spending, which simply means that the electricity tariff hike is one that would, whether you like it or not, would influence your pocket. Positively, negatively, I don't know about the first, but of course the later is for certain. I mean, Oliver Benga here. So let me just quickly run through what we'll be looking at, guys. Earlier on, we did talk about the recent tariff hike, and we looked at it with the current administration and what Nigerians are spending their money on. But if we take a look at the drawing board now, we just dropped a list of about 4 of them. Let me take this one out so you can see this, and possibly we'll get to add as we proceed. The first one there is the electricity tariff hike. That's the first one that Nigerians have to spend. And we're going to benchmark this with the the well-celebrated and most, highlighted, what would I call it? The most highlighted achievement by the federal government, which is the 70,000 Naira MW, which stands for minimum wage. Now you have electricity tariff hike coming. For those who are on band A, they do understand that they pay so much. Now initially, the federal government says that you were paying 88.2 per kilowatts, but now you'll be paying 116.18 kilowatts. That's what they said you'll be paying. We're going to put that in calculation terms. But let's just take a look at where Nigerians will be spending their money very, very soon. 1, electricity tariff. 2, telco. And we're talking about, when we talk about telco, we mean, simply put, guys, data. Data is no longer affordable like it used to be, if you look at that. Then number 3, the bank tariffs. I don't know if you should call it tariff or bank charges better, the bank charges. The charges are becoming too exorbitant. It's back and forth, it's back to back. People are spending so much just to maintain an account, and then it gets you thinking if you need to really spend that much just to maintain one account. What if you have like 4 or 5? In the case of Olive and Benga, sometimes, you might.
You still with him?
I'm sure you guys don't have one bank account. I mean, Benga is not. I think Benga has about 4 or 5.
Is it by having 4 and 5? 4 or 5. That's what, I don't have it up to 4 and 5. Yeah. Secondly, it's by how much is inside.
Exactly.
So, I mean, take a look at that. Then we also have healthcare. Now, I'm going to focus on healthcare later on this week. We need to talk about the healthcare sector. Just in case we do not know this, the price and the cost just to take care of your health, let's put it that way, has indeed gone up. So we're putting this out there. We want you to react to it. So go on our social media page, tweet us. If you're watching on YouTube, drop a comment on YouTube. If you are indeed watching from Facebook or Meta, as fondly called, go ahead and tell us which of these achievements or hike in prices is really affecting you. Let us know. Is it the electricity tariff that is about to go up? Or better still, is it the telco, the cost for data that you're spending? Because it seems that for those who are spending data, we're going to narrow down on either of these later on this week. We'll take them one by one. But for now, we just want to highlight, and we want you to comment. We want you to talk and tell us where your money is really going to. I also forgot to mention that we can now currently add the number 5, Benga, which, of course,
that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
And statistics has said that, carried out by the Nigerian Bureau of Statistics, that household income, this is that the highest need of most households. They spend more on food, so Absolutely. It's very critical.
Yeah.
And if you don't eat, you can't be allowed to use data or go to the bank or go to the hospital or even use electricity to watch Premier League. Yeah.
Nice one. So tell us, these are the top 5. Electricity, telecom, bank, healthcare, and not forgetting to food. Which of these, in what particular order, are they actually impacting on your pockets? We really want to know, and hopefully we'll take a look at that at the end of the show, what Nigerians are indeed talking about, especially looking at where their monies are going to. So this is it. Hopefully later on in the course of the week, we'll also take time to analyze them one by one and see how they heavily impact on your pockets. We'll go on a quick break. When we come back, we would be talking to a guest, and the conversation is one that you should be part of. So we'll do us a favor. Stay with us. We'll be right back.